You can use this 7 steps formula to set up a passive income stream from literally anywhere in the world. And the best part is that you don't have to invest any money, you don't need any social media followers, and you don't need any previous experience.
I'm gonna say I have to agree. There are actually some simple steps in this video that if you had a little bit of focus and a dose of reality, you could put these things together and you could actually make a pretty good go of making money online by following the advice in this video. But
there is a catch.
And of course that catch comes back to exactly what I was saying. Focus, a little bit of reality in the fact that it is going to take you more time than what he's letting on to.
If you don't have at least 15 minutes a day to focus on this one single side hustle, then it's not gonna work. And it's also not something that will even make you a millionaire in the first place, but it is a good way to add some extra income in your spare time. And don't worry, everything that I share today is completely free. It takes less than 10 minutes and again requires no previous experience.
But again, I'm in agreement. Simple steps that we're going to break down together here in this video. And to break down each step, we're going to pop into ChatGPT. Of course, he mentions ChatGPT. He also mentions Google Gemini, and we're going to talk about that as well. But understand that we're just simply going to break down the 7 steps in the video because I want to be able to show you what to actually focus on and sort of ignore the noise. Because the premise of his video, obviously, is the same as it always is. Stop working, 15 minutes, no experience required. AI is going to do everything for you. Let's again focus on reality and break down using ChatGPT what we actually need to focus on. So here's a breakdown of the 7 steps involved or mentioned in his video, the easiest $100 ever, or the easiest $100 every 30 minutes for free. It's really not that hard, even though it was hard to read that title. Easiest $100 every 30 minutes for free. Make money online along with their timestamps. Or what I'm telling ChatGPT and what you need to do when you see these types of videos is to put this in the ChatGPT, look at the steps, and then realize the ones that you can just be like, I'm not interested in that, or I don't need that. That is taking me away from the focus of actually creating a profitable online business by creating content that helps folks. And step 1 was understand what a VPN is. Okay, that's great, but he's just setting this up as a prelude, or he's setting it up to show you that, hey, check it out. Understand what a VPN is. I'm going to show you some quick make money online ideas around making money from VPNs by creating content about VPNs. And he's going to show you how to join an affiliate program. Those are the wrong steps. Next up, he shows you Google Gemini and ChatGPT for finding trending topics. And I want to dive into this a little bit.
The next step, I would basically just go to Google Gemini app and I would ask it for the most trending and most researched topics that people are reading about this week. Now, Google Gemini is using a real-time data from Google and Google Trends, so we essentially get literally what people are searching for right now.
And then I want to bring that back to a simple fact that you don't need to use Google Gemini or ChatGPT, and really it takes you away from the focus of doing a little bit of research, and it was just put in there to sort of show you how quick and easy and simple this is by using AI, when in reality, all you need to do is go to googletrends.com, and googletrends.com is doing exactly what he showed you inside of ChatGPT or inside of Gemini as well, and talking about how Google Gemini has access to this data, where you can just look at the data right here, and it's presented in a way, for most people, it's going to make more sense. You can just instantly say yes, no, maybe. It's not what I'm looking for. But then again, he took you into that to show you what's trending in the world of, and he was using that prompt to guide you back to, 1, this VPN idea as an affiliate, and 2, the faceless YouTube channel, which he's going to introduce that topic as the topic that you're going to create content on.
It seems like faceless YouTube channels is something that a lot of people are talking about right now.
And again, his video has these simple steps, but he's twisted it to the point where he's guiding you to the end point of his video, which is to get you interested in what it is he does and how he does it to make money online, which there's nothing wrong with that, but the hype of the video takes away the focus on the steps that you should be focused on. And I want to go back to this. Always, always, always listen to what they're saying and then focus on what they're doing, and then go back to ChatGPT, take the transcript of that video, put it in, and have it break down what the steps are. You don't need to understand what a VPN is. It doesn't matter unless you're in that niche, unless that is your topic that you're talking about. You're talking about and you're showing people how and why they need a VPN. Then you need to understand what a VPN is. Finding the right affiliate programs, you don't need to find an affiliate program until you actually start creating content. You don't need to use Google Gemini or ChatGPT to find trending topics. Actually, at this point, finding trending topics and thinking that you're going to find a trending topic today and then post content about it, this is getting on a hamster wheel that you'll never get off. You're going to be riding trending topics. They're going to hit a cliff and they're just going to fall off. Then you're going to be back on finding another trending topic. And this is the focus of, towards the end of the video, you're going to see that he's bringing you back to his concept of making faceless YouTube videos.
Now, even though Medium is great, it's kind of lazy to do it that way, but the way that I mostly drive traffic is to my faceless YouTube channel.
And they always talk about this in automation and faceless YouTube videos. The hype around that is you just ride trending topics, you find celebrities and things in the news, and you simply just grab other people's videos or you grab news clips. And that is the point where you lose focus and you're not really watching or thinking about the steps that you need to take, the action that you need to take. You're still watching the video. It's time to stop watching the video and to start working. And you do that by going back and understanding that you can use ChatGPT to generate a blog post. Then you can publish that blog post on Medium like he says in this video.
For the very next step, we're going to be using Medium to publish these blog articles for completely free.
And again, I don't disagree with this step. Using Medium as a traffic source, creating content and posting it on Medium and doing this over time and understanding that if you spend the time to build out your Medium profile, the thing I don't agree with is trending topics.
Proceed to step number 5, which is to go over to YouTube and then just search for the topics that Google Gemini and the ChatGPT told you are the most trending this week. So I'm going to go and search for faceless YouTube channels because previously ChatGPT said that that is a very popular topic right now. And if you search for that on YouTube, I actually have my videos actually showing up first, which is pretty good. So I'm going to use it as an example, but you can use any other video on this topic.
And I also wholeheartedly disagree with this idea that you can just pop over to YouTube and again, go back to this idea you're looking for trending topics and content that other people have created. Of course, he shows you his video. He shows you his video and he uses that as an example. So look and listen to what it is he's saying and then replicate or emulate what it is he's doing. Do what he's saying, do what he's doing, not what he's saying. Understand that, and then you bring that into focus and you utilize these simple steps. If you want to create your own videos, which you should, whether they're faceless, whether you use YouTube automation to do them, or whether you put yourself on a camera or use your own voice to talk about things that are evergreen, or pick a topic where you can create helpful content that will last longer than a trend that's going to trend up and then drop off a cliff. Actually help people solve a problem. The best way to create content is to create how-to content here on YouTube, solve a problem, show people how to solve a problem, and then as an affiliate, link out to that. Yes, you will have to create YouTube videos, but the point and what he's showing you in his video is to go out and find someone's video that they created and then take that back to ChatGPT.
For the next step, you can just use this free prompt that I will give to you later on in this video. I'm going to show where to get it for completely free, but essentially you just copy this and you can change the variables in the bracket when you go back to ChatGPT. You just paste this here and you want to tell it to write at least a 2,000 words blog post title, and it can be something that is related to these faceless channels. You can even take the title of the YouTube video that you found previously. Again, that video can be literally anything that is just related to the topic that you want to talk about, something that is trending right now that a lot of people are searching for. And we also want to use this exact keyword that we're trying to target, which are faceless YouTube channels. And you basically just paste this prompt, and using this prompt, ChatGPT will actually generate a high quality blog article that we can use.
Use that title, use that structure, use that idea, use that concept. But if you take that first step of creating your own content on YouTube, I'm going to show you a simple way or some simple tools that I use and a simple process that I use in my strategy for creating content and how simple it is, and then take what he said in his video and understand that he's talking about things that work, but he's showing you what to do by creating the video itself. I'm showing you what to do by creating this video. But you don't have to talk about making money online. You could talk about anything and everything. But if you want to talk about make money online, by all means, start talking about making money online. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with picking that topic, learning how to do it, and then doing it, and then teaching other people how to do it. Absolutely okay to pick that as a topic, but focus on something that you're interested in. Focus on something that you want to learn more about. Focus on something that you want to do, and then share it with the world. And again, going back to the simple steps that he provided in his video, I want to make sure that you understand how clear it is that you can take any video where someone's talking about making money online, and there's going to be some simple steps in there that you need to focus on that will actually work. So break down these 7 steps. Again, understand what VPNs are. If you want to be in the world of helping people understand what a VPN is, then yes, you need to understand what that is. Find the right affiliate programs. You will need to find the right affiliate programs based upon finding a product that will actually help people, but that's the wrong point of the step. Using Google Gemini or ChatGPT for trending topics, just go to Google Trends and start looking at those topics, but understand that that is a cliff that's going to, or that's a way to get to a point where you're going to trend up and then fall off that cliff. So don't think about that right now. And creating promo images for use in Canva, that's the last thing you need to be worried about, is creating promo images for your content. You need to be generating content. So think about using ChatGPT to help you generate content, and then think about building out your Medium profile. But go back to what he was saying and what he showed you and what I am trying to get you to focus on. If you were to create your own YouTube videos, check this out. You could go to a tool that I use called Koala Writer, and inside of Koala Writer, they have an article type that you can actually just YouTube video to blog post. You can pop in your video URL right here after you create the video with that helpful content, and then you just push a button and it's going to create an article, and then that article you're going to post to your own blog, and then after you do that, now you have a YouTube channel, you have your own blog, and it all came from that one piece of content where you decided you were going to help people when you created that YouTube video. Then you take Koala Writer, you take your content, not someone else's, your content that you created, you turn that into a blog post, and then you take that blog post and you turn it into a Medium article. Because here's the deal about Medium. Medium ranks in Google. Medium has power and has people that follow Medium. Plus, again, it ranks in Google. It can be found on the first page of Google. That leads people back to your blog, back to your YouTube content. And it's an actual strategy to start creating content here on the internet. Here on YouTube, your own blog, your own Medium profile, it all links, and it raises your authority and builds you up as an expert that you will become over time, not in 10 minutes a day, not in 15 minutes a day, but starting with that 10 or 15 minutes to understand this process by simply watching this video and taking the steps that he was talking about, and understand that with some simple focus and a dose of reality and the right tools and the right strategy, you can actually make this work. One last tool, Koala Writer being the first tool that you can use. One last tool that I use is MedPoster AI. I'll leave a link in the description with all the videos where I talk about all these products and how to use them. But understand that once you create your YouTube video, you create a blog post, you can come here into MedPoster AI, and MedPoster AI, you just enter a campaign name, enter a URL. Here you enter the URL of the blog post that was written by Koala that came from the YouTube video that you created. So it's all your content. And then you can disclose the content and the fact that you are an affiliate, that you're using AI, which is part of the Medium rules that you have to follow. But it's okay that you're using AI because AI is now assisting you from your original content. Then you come down here and you used ChatGPT or any of the other AI models that are out there that you can connect to inside of this tool. And then you have this post to Medium as a draft, and it auto-generates the tag to make sure that your content over at Medium has the best possible positioning. And then you go over to Medium, you edit your content, you read it, make sure it looks right, add a few extra images, embed your YouTube video, or actually MedPoster AI can embed that video for you. So again, you're capitalizing on your effort from day one with a real strategy that started with simply understanding or taking the simple step of first creating a YouTube video, your own original content. Whether that be trending topics or not, that's up to you. I think you should go with simple evergreen how-to videos, but move forward with creating that first piece of content as a YouTube video, then transform it into a blog post on your own blog using Koala Writer, and then simply use a tool like MedPoster AI to use that blog post that originated from that YouTube video to now build out and bolster and establish your authority over on Medium and your place on the internet as an expert or as an authority or simply as someone that is trying to be helpful by learning more about a topic, doing the topic, understanding all the things that are required to do the topic or to do the thing in your topic that is the content that you're creating that then you're teaching people. And again, this can be in any topic you want it to be on, and all you have to do is get started. And if you want to see how simple it is to get started, just click on the video you see on the screen right now.